Hello everybody, nice to meet you again. Okay, question 19 SL is about equilibrium constant Kc. Okay, so what is this two reaction? Look at it. This the reverse reaction. Products and reactant are reverse, right? Flip it, right? So reverse reaction. So first of all, you need to remember what is Kc. Kc is product stuff concentration with the index over the reactants one. Okay, but now before these numbers is 5. Now for the reverse process means, right, products and reactant are reversed. So what will happen to the constant, equilibrium constant? So products becomes a reactants and reactant become products. So flip it, right? Numerator becomes denominator and denominator becomes numerator. So what will happen to the Kc? 5 will change to is reciprocal 1 over 5. So the answer is B. You got it. Well done. Very good question. Reverse process. Remember, reverse process, the equilibrium constant, reciprocal 1 over A. You got it? Remember it. Very useful. See you for next question.